Hello everybody, my name is Tejas Pathri and I will be taking you on a walkthrough through my biome, the frozen Oblivion. So first of all, the biome that I chose to do my frozen Oblivion is the tundra. So I know this doesn't look like the tundra because the tundra is treeless, but I decided to make it so global warming has melted the permafrost, so trees can now take root in this tundra biome. So here it is, glass dome. Looks pretty irregular, but you'll see why. It was actually built over a ravine. So this is kind of the entrance to it. This river, I kind of dammed it because there are lots of salmon on this side, and so that's my source of food for salmon. Yeah. In here is the main entrance to my biome. There are lots of survivors here. So here, the vegetation in my biome is right here. The wheat, which can be used to make bread, and the melons, which are eaten and cut up into pieces. So the other vegetation, more common vegetation, is the grass. This is actually commonly found in the tundra. They have extensive root systems that can dig into the permafrost. So there's the grass. And now I'll move on to food sources. So food sources for the people in my biome are the wheat, of course, the wheat, which is bread, and the melon. There's also, for carnivorous options, there are cows, which provide a source of beef, and sheep, which provide a source of mutton or lamb meat. Cows can also provide milk and leather, and sheep can provide wool. So next is the water sources for my biome. The water sources for my biome are right here, this pool, fresh water. There's a reservoir that runs under this tree. There is also a glacier in that direction, which I have decided to make into an emergency shelter by melting the inside. So right here is a glacier, and some parts of it can be melted and refrozen later. There are tons and tons of snow as well, and there are also two major rivers that run through my biome, or right next to my biome. So after that is the shelter. Of course, over there is some shelter for if the glass dome breaks. The main place that people live in is right in here. I'll show you. There's a huge cavern that this is a model house, kind of a house, to show how most of the houses here look. Right here. And so right here is a little pond, another freshwater source, and here are the traditional animals of the tundra. That the villager is not an animal, he just came in. There are polar bears, and there are also Arctic hares. So these are Arctic foxes. I know they look like wolves, but they're actually Arctic foxes, believe it or not. Yes, I know. So then here, for some more shelter, there's a lava lake, natural, 100% natural geothermal lava lake. And this is where people actually grill and fry their food, just in case if they want to eat it. So this is like a blacksmith area. And of course, the most important part of my biome, the way you stay connected to the internet, the Apple Store. Yes. It's 100 years in the future, so they're selling iPhone 50s. So that is a short walkthrough of my biome, the frozen Oblivion. Hope you enjoyed.